Want to turn simple text into stunning visuals without paying a dime? Today, I'm showing you Ideogram, a free AI tool that turns words into viral images in seconds. Let's break down 3 things you didn't know it could do and exactly how to use them. Step 1. Create scroll-stopping images from text. Start by visiting Ideogram.ai and click on Create. Now, in the prompt box, type something fun or surreal, like a cat made of sushi, astronaut surfing on a rainbow, cyberpunk frog sipping bubble tea. Click Generate and watch what happens. In seconds, Ideogram creates 4 high-quality AI-generated images. They're vibrant, stylized, and super shareable, no design skills needed. Want more variety? Just tweak the prompt slightly and generate again. Step 2. Add text that actually works in AI art. Here's something rare. Ideogram handles text beautifully. Most AI tools mess up letters, but Ideogram keeps them clean and readable. To do this, include your desired text in the prompt. Use style cues like poster, logo, or quote graphic. Hit Generate. It's perfect for Instagram quotes, YouTube thumbnails, even merch, no Photoshop required. Step 3. Explore and remix. What's trending stuck for ideas? Click the Explore tab in the top menu. Here you'll find what other users are creating in real time. Click on any image, then hit Remix to use the same style with your own twist. Want to make that cyberpunk jellyfish dancer into a DJ octopus? You can. It's fast, inspiring, and great for staying on trend. So let's recap. Generate wild, creative images, add working text directly in prompts, remix trending art instantly. It's free, fast, and honestly, just fun. Which feature will you try first? Drop your favorite prompt in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. This is AIChief. See you next time.